guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TechnoHub. So today we are gonna be learning that how to reset Arduino board. So in this tutorial I'm using Arduino Uno R3 board. You can use any of the board you're having. So let's start. Alright guys, so as you can see the circuit diagram in front of you. So these two buttons and reset pin are not for hard resetting or factory resetting the Arduino, but it makes your program to start over again from zero. So for factory resetting the Arduino or removing the code permanently from the Arduino, you need to upload blank code onto your Arduino board. So you can, when you open Arduino program in your laptop or PC or something, you get that code. You simply don't have to edit that code. You simply have to just upload it to your Arduino to make it factory hard reset. I hope that this video helped you people a lot. Try this actually works. So if you have any query, business query, contact on the email given in the link in the description. Hope you like this video. Wait for the next video. Till that, bye bye.